How to clear cache and reset Google Earth to fix errors. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to clear the cache in your Google Earth, you'll need to offload the app if you're using iPhone. So, let's dive right in. Head over to settings and then you'll need to go to general, then tap on iPhone storage and then scroll down until you find Google Earth. Tap on see all, and then once you find Google Earth, just go ahead and tap on it and then tap on offload app. Offloading the app will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So if you offload the app, you'll need to reinstall it again. And once you reinstall it, it will be updated to the latest version and it will clear all the cache, making sure that there are no errors. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.